Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open both apps and act quickly. Export your Gacha Life pose as a PNG at 1080 x 1920 or crop to 9:16. Then, in Ibis Paint X, create a new canvas that matches that size and import the image as your base layer. Once imported, lock that layer so you avoid accidental edits. Next, add a new layer above for line art. Make sure brush size is small for clean outlines. This gets you ready to trace, color, and refine without losing the original pose. You trace on a fresh layer with the stabilizer set between 10 and 20 to keep strokes steady. This is how you get crisp line art fast. Once done, create a multiply layer under the lines to block in flat colors, and use a clipping group above for shadows and gradients so they stay within shapes. Then, adjust hue and saturation to match the Gacha palette. Add Gaussian blur for soft shadows, and use overlay for bright highlights. This layered approach preserves detail and speeds polishing. You finalize by merging only the layers you need, while saving a separate backup copy with all layers intact for future edits. For stills, export as PNG. For simple animated poses or motion in Ibis, render an MP4 at 1080p for sharing. If something goes wrong, colors look off or flattening occurs, first check the color profile and export using sRGB. Also, if brushes lag, lower canvas resolution slightly or clear app cache. These steps finish the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.